It's the Samson V-Twin Show, starring Steve Carr, with special guest Dino. Special appearances by Mike. And now on with the show.
Hey, thanks for dropping by. Today we've got a 2023 Road Glide ST in the sand white or the Bonneville sand white, whichever color they call it. This belongs to a friend of mine by the name of Dino. He's from Tampa. He's on his way from Tampa to Sturgis, so he stopped by to get some work done. We're going to be putting in the Darkhorse compensator, full 3-hole service, all 4 spark plugs, and he's got some other trinkets we're going to put on here to dress up the motor a little bit. So hang in there and we'll go through all the things we're about to do. Be right back. All right, we've already drained the fluid, so now I'm going to take the floorboard out of the way. All right, that's good enough. Let's go ahead and get this footboard out of the way. Passenger board, get it out of the way. Okay. Now we can go ahead and pull the primary cover. All right, with any luck, this cover will come right off, and it does. Beautiful. Next thing, circlip, pull the clutch adjuster. All right. Always put your thumb over it, make sure it don't go flying across the world. That can come out just like that. Now that gives us access to the bolt. And we'll go ahead and spin these off. Okay, don't forget our little trick here with these 2 tabs to keep the chain tensioner from springing apart. It won't really spring apart, but it'll expand and make it a little bit of a chore to get back together. It can be done, but it's easier just to not have to do it. Sit this down right over here, just like that. Now, just in case something goes crazy, I'm going to go ahead and pull this gasket off. All right, we can go ahead and take this stuff off. We're not going to need any of this front component stuff here, any of it at all. So let's just go ahead and take it apart. Okay, let's grab the Darkhorse compensator. Now, this should push on evenly, just like that. Okay. Now we can go back in with our adjuster, just so that it's not in the way down here. All right, take our little tie wrap off, and that's good to go. All right, now we're going to put the bolt back in the front. We're going to put some blue Loctite on there, just like it was already on there. And hopefully we don't send this circlip to the moon. We'll try it. Okay, it's back together. We'll go back with our gasket and our cover. And I'm going to put 1 screw in here just to hold it, because Dino has a cool screw kit that we're going to use. So let me grab that and take a look, see what all is in there. Be right back. Okay, so what he brought is this really cool bronze bolt cover kit with black bolts. So I'm going to go ahead and put a dab of blue on each one and go back together with it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, this is the finished product on the primary. You can see the bolts here. They have a bronze cover over them. It looks really nice. So I'm going to proceed on to the rest of the motor. Drain the fuel tank. I'm going to take the exhaust off. And he's also got a shift rod, a bronze shift rod that's going on right here. And I'll just kind of bounce in and out here and there as we're doing that. We got it completed after about 4 hours, 5 hours, and just a couple of tools. The job is done. Let me show you the final results here. So you can see the nice bronze bolts all over the bike now. We pulled the tank, pulled the exhaust, and replaced all the bolts that we could, and I think it looks really nice. I'm currently updating the firmware for the ThunderMax. Its firmware was dated 2022, and so there are a couple of new versions that have been out since this was installed. So we're going to go ahead and get that taken care of. So Dino and Mike are leaving in the morning. They stopped by here on their way to Sturgis from Tampa, Florida, and I sure appreciate them coming by. So we did this bike back in I believe it was 23. There's a whole video on everything we did. We did everything to this bike in one day. Fat tire kit, cam, exhaust, handlebars, suspension, all kind of stuff. LED tail lights. I don't even remember what all we did, but it was all done in one day. So it's in the library. Go back and search it, and it's pretty amazing what we did in just one day. So, all right, guys. Appreciate you watching, and I'll talk to you later.